Hello, and welcome back to V2 Cloud Tutorials. In this tutorial, you will learn how to enable the multi-monitor feature with V2 Cloud RDP or Web Connect. Step 1. Download and install the V2 Cloud client from the official website v2cloud.com or go directly to this link. Once you've installed the app, open it, then log in using your V2 Cloud credentials. Step 2. Before launching your session, click on the Settings tab in the lower left corner of the screen in the V2 Cloud client. Under Connection Settings, you'll see two options for multi-monitor setups. First, checking Use Multi-Monitor will extend your remote desktop across all connected monitors. Alternatively, selecting Use Multi-Monitor Select Beta allows you to choose specific monitors for your virtual desktop session. Once you've made your selection, click the X or anywhere outside the Settings panel to apply the changes. Now your session should extend across all connected screens. Step 3. If you're using Remote Desktop Protocol RDP instead of the V2 Cloud client, open the Remote Desktop Connection app on your local PC. Select the desktop you want to apply the multi-monitor setting to, and then navigate to the Display tab. Check Use All My Monitors for the remote session. Once enabled, upon connection your session will span across every connected screen. If multi-monitor mode isn't working, make sure all monitors are connected, then restart and launch the V2 Cloud client again. Verify that your device supports multi-monitor RDP sessions. For Windows RDP users, ensure you're running a version that supports multiple monitors. Pro editions do, and Home editions do not. That is all for this tutorial. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.